words in Patois or Jamaican Creole that some people either don't know or they don't like. Ascanto. This was very popular where I lived in St. Elizabeth, but apparently when I went to high school and even now living in Kingston, a lot of people don't know this word. But ascan is like according to. So use it in a sense like, well, ascan mas, Jan over there saying did go. Ascan my sister, I did this so she did go. Ascan whoever, I this and that and blah 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 did happen. Ascan. Bang. Me personally, never really like that word here. Not gonna lie. I don't know. I just found it so annoying. But we learn to appreciate it. I don't know how to define this word, but maybe based on the context, you can get a feel of how it's supposed to be used. Baby, go over there. Yeah, man. Baby, call him after me to go. Baby, watch you play them, man. No, sir. Baby, I go going now, but me never bother go. Squall. This one, again, very popular where I live, but I learned recently that some people don't know what this word means. So squall is when you describe the rain falling, but it's falling very lightly. So think about it like, for example, rain just started falling, but it's very, very light, and you can barely feel the droplets on your skin. So that's squall. Go take up your clothes from half line when a squall. Sit down, you're sick. Don't go to a rain squall. What other words would you add to this list?